Hello everyone, welcome back to Niji Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we get into this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned about the paragraph group under Home tab. In this video, we are going to learn about the editing group under Home tab. So let's get into that. As you can see over here, I have opened the previous file and I have removed the extra content which we did in the previous videos. From the Home tab, as you can see, this is your editing group. First is your Find, by clicking on which you can see the options for finding the text in your document. Next is the Replace button, which searches for the text you would like to change and replace it with something else. Next is the Select button, which selects the text or object in your document. And as you can see, the shortcut key for finding is Ctrl+F. Shortcut key for replacing it Ctrl+H. First we'll go for the Find. As you can see, the drop down arrow, click on that. Find, Advanced Find and Go To. First we'll go for the Find, and here I am going to type a word keyboard. So as you can see, I have typed in a capitals, but they have shown wherever I have typed keyboard in the document and they have given the highlight over here, right? Now they have selected the first word. If you go for down, they have selected the second, and if you go down again, they have selected the third one, right? So it was about your Find option. Now Find, Advanced Find, right? So click on that. As you can see, the Find and Replace dialog box over here. Find what? So I have given here Find keyboard and then reading highlights, so highlights all. So as you can see over here, they have highlighted all the keyboard word. And find it in main document, yes, they have given Find next. So as you can see that this one is the selected word. Now if you want to replace the first word, so I am going to go for the replace and then I will replace it with the mouse word. So replace. So as you can see, this keyboard is being as it is and this word has been changed to the mouse word. Now Go To button. As you can see, go to what means wherever you want to go or wherever you want to place your cursor, page, section, line, bookmark, comment, footnote, right? So page, if I go for the second page and go to the second page, here we have not the second page, so that is why nothing is showing over here. Then line, so if I go for the first line, go to first line, as you can see over here, your pointer has been placed on the first line. If I click on the second line and go to second line, as you can see, your cursor has been placed at the second line. So this is how you use your Find, Replace and Go To option in Find and Replace dialog box. Then close it. Then next up we are having Replace option, this one which we did already. So with the help of Find button, you can go for replacing it or Go To option. Now Select option. Select all. Either you press Ctrl+A in keyboard or you can go for clicking this button. So it will select the entire text or the document which you have written. Then select the object. Now for that I am going to insert 2-3 shapes over here so that you can have an idea how to use that option. Okay. Now how to use this select option for the objects. So select objects, drag your mouse and select it, right? Once you select the object, you can move from here to there. But to undo this or to remove the selection option, you have to click on it again. Then only you will be able to place your cursor. Then select text with similar formatting. So let's say I am going to give a formatting to here word keyboard. So I will keep it bold. Then this also I will keep it bold. And here also alphabet keys I am going to keep it bold. Right? Next formatting I will go for device italic, keyboard italic, and here screen italic. Now I am going to select the word keyboard, and from the select button I will select text with the similar formatting. So as you can see, wherever I have kept the bold option or wherever I have given the bold option, those words has been selected. If I go for the device word, which is having the italic manner, so select and select text with similar formatting. So wherever we have kept the italic form in the word, it has been selected. Now suppose you have given the color of text, so that also works same. Here you can see C and R I have kept without any color. Now I am going to select a keyboard word and select text with the similar formatting. So as you can see, they have selected this text, right? So this is how your select text with the formatting works. And this was about your editing group. For more videos, please stay tuned with Ninja Education and keep learning with it.